Hello, this is Peter from Software Tech Support at AutoQ. This video will guide you to install and register QStart for Mac. To install QStart for Mac, insert the USB thumb drive into your computer. Double-click the thumb drive to browse it. Double-click QStart for Mac folder, and finally double-click QStart for Mac DMG file. Read through the license agreement and then click on Agree. In the next step, to install the software, just click and drag the QStart into the Applications folder. When finished, close the windows. You can now launch QStart right from the Finder window. Until you register, you will be able to use QStart as an evaluation demo version. To register, go to the QStart menu, Preferences, Registration. Fill in all the details. For the product key, you can get this from the thumb drive by reading the Your QStart Mac instructions. Scroll to the bottom and there's your 25-digit product key. Type that into the registration screen. Click Register. When you see Registration Succeeded message, you have completed registration and you now may use QStart fully. Thank you and happy prompting.